Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Trust Wallet on PC desktop. So without further ado, let's start! So first, to download the Trust Wallet on your PC desktop, what you're going to do is to download the Android emulator. So go to your web browser and then download BlueStacks. And then after that, open the BlueStacks. Then go to the search bar and then search Trust Wallet. Now you can see the Trust Wallet right there. Just tap on install. Now you need to sign in to your Google Play Store. And then now install the app. And then tap on open. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.